Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making sour and spicy baby Chinese cabbage. Look at this, bright, glossy, still steaming. You can smell that salt and spicy kick from here. Looks simple, but this one hits hard. Let's get right into it. For this dish, you can use regular Napa cabbage, but I've got baby Chinese cabbage. It's juicy and tender with just a bit of crunch. Super refreshing. Alright, once it's washed, cut each leaf in half like this. Next, slice up a few fresh red and green bird's eye chilies. These little guys bring the heat, so use however many you like. We also needed to prepare some chopped spring onions and minced garlic. Next, let's mix up a quick sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of aged vinegar, 1 teaspoon each of salt, MSG, and sugar. Squeeze in a little oyster sauce too. Then add about 150 milliliters of water and a tablespoon of potato starch. Give it a good stir till smooth. All preparations are done. Let's start cooking. Heat up your wok and add some oil. Then toast in the chilies. Stir them around for just a few seconds until you start to smell that kick. Toast in the spring onions. Give it a quick stir. Should start smelling real nice right about now. Alright, cabbage goes in. Crank the heat and give it a good toast. If the heat is too low, it will just start leaking water, and we don't want that. Once the cabbage softens a bit, pour in the sauce we mixed earlier. And now, garlic goes in. Stir everything together till it's glossy and coated. Alright, looks good. Let's get this onto a plate. Here it is. Sour, spicy, crunchy cabbage. This stuff seriously wakes up your taste buds. Let me have a try. Tender with just enough crunch, and that kick of vinegar and chili. So good. Try it at your home, you will see what I mean. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.